Introduction. A virus can be defined as non-living, a cellular, intracellular infectious particle composed of nucleic acid either DNA or RNA, but not both, covered by outer protective protein coat. Some viruses have an outer lipoprotein membrane external to protein coat called envelope, and replicate within the host cells by using the host machinery. OR, an ultramicroscopic metabolically inert, infectious agent that replicate only within the living host. W. M. Stanley, first time isolated virus, TMV, in 1935. Note, viruses do not undergo mitosis or binary fission. Virion, the infectious complete virus, is called virion. The number of genes per virion ranges from 4 to many hundred. The virion with single copy of gene is called haploid. The virion with double copy of gene is called diploid. Viroids. A viroid is a circular molecule of ssRNA without a capsid. Viroids cause several economically important plant diseases, including citrus exocortis. Virions. They are proteinaceous infectious particles. They are the causative agents for about a dozen fatal degenerative disorders of the central nervous systems of humans and other animals. Biological status of viruses. Biologically, viruses are not cell because a cell is capable of independent existence and able to reproduce itself, while viruses are dependent on host for their existence as well as for replication. B cell needs a space of about 5,000 or in diameter to carry out its metabolic and reproductive activities, while most viruses have diameter from 100 to 200 a. Characters of viruses. Living characters. Viruses have genetic material, DNA or RNA, that can replicate. They are sensitive to stimuli like chemicals and radiations. They can multiply in the living cells of host. They undergo mutation. They can attack specific host. Non-living characters. The viruses remain as inert material outside the host. They lack cell membrane, cytoplasm and cellular organelles. They can be crystallized. Sized viruses are very minute particles that can be seen only under electron microscope. They are measured in millimicrons, mm. Generally they vary from 2.0 mm to 300 mm in size.